Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the heart of every sea vessel, beneath the waves and deep inside the rumble of heavy steel, lies an environment driven by continuous motion and extreme temperatures. Behind the massive power that propels cargo across oceans is a crew member whose hands keep the machinery turning without failure, the oiler. Stepping into the shoes of an oiler means stepping into a world where precision, vigilance, and physical endurance meet every single day. As an oiler, your primary responsibility is to ensure that every moving part within the engine department operates smoothly without excessive friction, overheating, or premature wear. The engine room is a labyrinth of giant crankshafts, roaring auxiliary engines, spinning purifiers, high-pressure pumps, and intricate piping networks. Friction is the constant enemy of all this heavy equipment. Without proper lubrication, high-speed metal components would seize within moments, bringing a multi-million-dollar vessel to a complete standstill. This is where your critical work begins. During your watch, you become the eyes and ears of the engineering team on the engine room floor. Armed with your flashlight, rag, and oil can, you make regular rounds through every deck of the machinery space. You check sight glasses, verify lube oil levels in sumps, take temperatures and pressure readings, and feel for abnormal vibrations that might indicate mechanical issue. You learn to read the subtle signals of the machinery. A slight rise in bearing temperature or a minor drop in pressure is something you detect before it turns into a catastrophic failure. Beyond routine lubrication, the oiler is a key partner to the watch-keeping engineers during critical operational procedures and scheduled maintenance. You assist in cleaning heavy fuel oil purifiers, swapping out clogged filters, taking tank soundings, and transferring bilges or sludge. When an engine overhaul is underway, your mechanical skills are called upon to handle heavy tools, clean intricate engine components, and prepare spare parts for assembly. Safety and cleanliness are at the core of your daily routine. In an environment filled with oil lines, steam pipes, and electrical panels, keeping the decks clean and free of spills is a vital line of defense against accidents. You take pride in maintaining order in the workshop and ensuring that emergency gear and firefighting equipment remain clear and accessible. The role of an oiler is far more than just a job. It is the ultimate proving ground for anyone aspiring to build a long-term career in marine engineering. By working directly with every piece of equipment, you gain an unmatched practical understanding of fluid dynamics, thermal systems, and mechanical design. The sweat, the grease, and the discipline you build down here lay the foundation for advancing to higher ranks. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.